फिल्म जर्नलिस्ट अवार्ड एंड ट्रेंड सेटर, इसमें एक वर्ड आता है. मैं इस पूरे रास्ते ये सोचता रहा कि ट्रेंड तो ऐसा कुछ मैंने सेट किया नहीं है. मेरा अवार्ड किस लिए दिया जा रहा है मुझे, है ना? बिकॉज हाय रसूल, सो नाइस टू सी यू आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग. सो मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, हालांकि इट्स लाइक ओशन, यू जस्ट स्विम इन इट एंड यू कीप स्विमिंग. जो जैसी लहर आई, तूफान भी आया, सब कुछ भी आए, है ना, आप तैरते रहते हैं एंड यू होप टू गेट, यू नो, रीच टू द लैंड एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम एंड होपफुली देन देयर आर कोकोनट्स, ग्रेट वुमेन एंड कुछ सराय वगैरह भी होगी, इन वगैरह भी होगी, यू कैन गेट अराउंड, यू नो, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. But it's a beautiful journey, I guess. It's scary. It has ups and downs. But I don't think that I have ever realized, or I don't think that any one of us, मेरी fraternity के बहुत लोग हैं, सभी जानते हैं इस बात को. When you are swimming, you are just swimming. That's your job and you keep doing that. बाकी दुनिया का काम है, जो बाहर से देख रही है वो तय करे कि भाई ठीक तैर रहा है कि नहीं तैर रहा है. अगर ठीक से तैरते रहे तो बच जाओगे and you reach the land. Otherwise, it's all right. That's all I can say. And one more thing. I think ट्रेंड सेटर के लिए मैं थोड़ी सी एक लाइन बनाकर आया था. कुछ सोचा था मैंने कि कुछ एक बड़ा सा ज्ञान होगा, तो वो कह देता हूँ मैं. आई थिंक एक चीज़ मुझे जो समझ में आई है, जो सच में मैं यकीन करता हूँ, कि ट्रेंड सेटर अगर कोई होता है तो वो होता है जो ट्रेंड फॉलो नहीं करता.
दूसरे वाला में क्या?
That's the only thing I think.
अवार्ड विनिंग में दूसरा फिल्म में कर, ये मेरे पास ठीक है. हाँ, दूसरे वाला में कर.
Ladies and gentlemen, the COVID pandemic has really hit us hard, and especially this event. Many of our awardees tonight have been caught up in its whirlwind, either themselves or in the last 7 days, or their immediate family members. They got COVID, due to which they have quarantined themselves. So, of course, I urge you to take all precautions. We are unlucky that our best actor and actress tonight, Vicky Kaushal for Sadaq Udham and Kirti Sanan for a performance.
Hi everyone, I'm extremely happy and delighted to receive the Bollywood Journalists Award 2022. I want to thank each and every jury member, and I'm shooting abroad so I'm unable to be there in person and receive it. But thank you very, very much for your love and appreciation for this award.
Acknowledging my work. Thank you for this wonderful award, and just hope to keep entertaining all of you. Take care. Thank you again. Cheers.
This award is really, really special because it is coming directly from the journalists and from our fraternity.
Film Sheer Kurma. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, and can we have Ms. Malika D'Souza, producer, to receive the award. I will request you to come again on stage. A very special award, this one. on stage, Ms. Shweta Pandit. Please come on stage. Is she here? Saina, can we have on stage the child artist Naisha Kaur Bhatoi up front, please? Can we have a big round of applause for the movie Saina and for Naisha Kaur Bhatoi? Congratulations, what talent! And also, another award for the best child artist goes to Vedant Sinha for the character of Atharva, the family man, season 2. Vedant, can we have on stage? And take a big round of applause, everybody, for Vedant. Can we obviously miss out on the opportunity of not hearing we have to necessarily. Yes. Okay. Can I request you to please?
What to do? Oh. Good evening, everyone. Firstly, thank you so much. This was a complete beautiful moment, I would say, but I wasn't expecting to sing like that right now. But sir, thank you so much for having me, and I won the Power Grants a couple of years ago, so thank you for the encouragement to all the journalists and of course you. We've had a wonderful association for over 20 years now, and it's an honor to be here.
You look 20, so
Yes, I was a child then. साउंड थोड़ा सा अगर यहाँ पे मॉनिटर में सिंगिंग वाला हो जाएगा. My dad. हमको मिली है आज घड़ियां नसीब से. थोड़ी सी धीमी तालियां भी बज सकती हैं. हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो न हो. शायद you can sing this. न हो लग जा गले. Thank you.
thank you so very much. Yeah, one more. Then we should have everybody sing one more.
अभी थोड़ा मीठा गाना झूम सकते हैं इस पे. ना पैरों में पायल ना हाथों में कंगना चले मैं चली come on. और आँखों में काजल लगा पे बिंदिया दीवाने की ढूंढो गली. Wow, I wanna show my body, move the night away. चाहे बस चाहे दिल भर को पाना रे. हल्ला रे come on. हल्ला रे तू झूम ले तू नाच ले मस्ती में तू कुछ गा रे. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, please stay back. Do stay back.
The entertainment out here.
Yeah, we said no frills, but yes, that was definitely. Ma'am, please stay back. We request you to give a few more awards. Special awards for journalistic excellence we have the 2022 Power Brands Bollywood Journalist Award to Upala KBR. Upala has been an entertainment covering film and television stories. Currently on a retainership with Midday newspaper, she contributes articles online and does Bollywood podcasts. She started out as a curb reporter for Midday and has written for DNA and Bombay Times newspaper and also worked in 2 production houses including British Nandi Communications Limited as a Vice President Media and Projects. She loves breaking news and covering gossip. She believes writing about the truth can bring about a profound change and the written word can be an impactful one. Another special award, the Power Brand Bollywood RJ has been widely recognized and he has been awarded 96 times with different organizations including the National Award, India's Best Radio Jockey Award for 2016. Congratulations, the Maharashtra government, very interesting, has introduced a chapter in Class 11 book on Anurag Pandey and rightly so, as the list of accomplishments of India's most versatile and talented RJ goes on and on. Congratulations and pleasure to have you. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so very much. Can I have Mr. Rakesh Agarwal on stage, please, to give a certain award? Power Brand Bollywood Rising Star! Everybody, a very big round of applause. A true artist has the ability to be at ease in every manifestation of art. Portrayal of some of the most challenging and shaded characters. And then happened Gangubai, and you ensured Afsan stays there in our hearts for many years to come with your pristine and vulnerable purity of emotions, health with innocence. Your iconic and impactful portrayal speaks volumes of your versatility as one of India's finest actor artists in the present times. Can we have on stage from Sahara, Mr. Fadnis, General Manager to give trophy to Shantanu, please. Mr. Salim Fadnis, could we have on stage, please? Hotel Sahara star to Shantanu Maheshwari. Shantanu, kindly please stay back, but before you give some awards, I would request you please.
Good evening, guys. Thank you so much for firstly inviting me and giving me this award. I was just talking to sir and I just said something to him which I would love to you guys to know about it. बचपन से पेपर जब पढ़ना शुरू किया था तब से इनकी पिक्चर्स देखते आया हूँ and I was like one day, I mean, you know, I've always seen him presenting awards and in page 3 also you have been there, so you know it's such a moment for me right now and it's a really overwhelming feeling to see you and share the stage with you and meet you in person. So thank you so much and thank you so much guys for appreciating my work. Really means a lot. अभी शुरुआत की है, so ये बहुत मायने रखता है and it motivates us a lot. So thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Shantanu, but we need you on stage to give the next award. The next award for both of the companies has been instrumental in creating a wider distribution network pan-India of Sandhya Organics Chemicals Private Limited, as well as across the globe in more than 45 countries. Bollywood, like Mahendra Amarnath, and the ability to extract best of both sets. Your part in making indeed special and gifted. A big round of applause, everybody. Saqib Salim, Power Brand Game Changer of the Year Award for his performance. Saqib, please to stay back. Take the next award. Rakesh Agarwal ji, please, sir, to give the trophy to Saqib Salim for his stellar performance in 83. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Rakesh Agarwal to Saqib Salim by VKC Nuts. And can we have on stage Mr. Gunjan Jain, Managing Director, to please come on stage and collect the award. Established in 1926, VKC Nuts is a fourth-generation heritage company in nuts and sellers, processors, packers, wholesalers, distributors, exporters and importers of nuts and dried fruits. A born entrepreneur leader, Mr. Gunjan Jain, MD, VKC Nuts, is one of the most recognized names in the nuts and dried fruit industry. Thank you, sir.
Okay, like Saurabh sir said here, I'm also like sir, I've not really gotten awards in life. And to get Game Changer of the Year, मतलब 12 साल लगे Game Changer बनने में, तो thank you guys. Thank you to Planman, thank you to the jury, to everybody, all the journalists sitting in this room, for always giving me love, writing such lovely things. Last person that I want to thank is my director Kabir Khan for giving me 83 and helping me change my name. Thank you, sir. I love you a lot. Have a great night, guys.
He was supposed to be here. Unfortunately, his Masi is very critical.
Mr. Gunjan. The Power Brands Industry Trendsetter Award for Ms. Shama Sikandar. Ladies and gentlemen, can you have a Shama, the river that you are all these years since your debut in Maan, your name is synonymous with versatility and beauty. Whether you played the quintessential Bollywood beauty or the femme fatale, an actress in your OTT avatars, you have always experimented with realistic portrayals of modern Indian women. And in every character that you have successfully portrayed on screen, you have proved your range as an actor time and time again. You've always believed in smashing the glass ceiling, not just breaking it, and your cinematic journey so far has been a testimony to that. Congratulations, please do stay back for giving the next set of awards. Can we have on stage for 2 awards, India's 20 most impactful power brands and also the inspirational leader of Roaring India? Can we have on stage Purvanchal Laminates Private Limited? Can we have Amulya Maika? Can we have Mr. Rakesh Agarwal, Managing Director on stage, please, for receiving both the awards of India's 20 most impactful power brands and inspirational leader of Roaring India. Government of India recognized Star Export House status to Gandhidham, Gujarat based Purvanchal Laminates Private Limited, Amulya Maika, manufacturing laminates, planning, plywood. Let PVC, WPC board, KPVC, laminate and perforate, a complete interior and exterior decoration material for furniture making, having its pan-India network and exporting to more than
Side of Facebook, finally. Thank you so much to the jury members. Thank you, Power Brands, for honoring me with this amazing award. They say that the odd ones and the weird ones have the power to be the trend setters. So thank you so much for appreciating that in me and celebrating that, in me.
Alright,
Thank
please
you.
you stay back. You're giving one more award, please. And this award, the Power Brand Inspirational Leader of Roaring India, goes to the MD and Chairman of Brands, a leading event management agency that has experience in converting habitual dreams into reality globally as well as countrywide, and has a record in management, has an ever smiling face there, carrying vibes.
Thank Chaitanya Padukone and Jyoti for all the love that they showed me when I arrived in the industry. Thank you to the entire journalist community. Without your support, I really couldn't have been here. Thank you. Whatever Boban sir said, it is what I wanted to say, but thank you for having me here.
Thank you so very much. Pleasure to have you here with us. Back on stage, can we have you, Manjari, please, back on stage with us to give a few more awards? And maybe request with Roksabatu and from there onwards, Yash, you've never looked back. Besides films, you've also simultaneously worked with a small screen and have been a part of many big banners and awards, small screen awards, and many more. Your signature, Miss Rashmi Desai, please. Power Brands Industry industry trendsetter. The next award going to India's 20 most impact. And can we have Mr. Rituraj Garg, GM Sales of Ace Crane, to come up on stage and please collect the award on behalf of the company. India's 20 most impactful power brands.
I get very nervous when I get a mic in my hand. So मुझे आदत है as an actor जब lines दी जाती है तभी मैं बोलती हूँ. So I don't know, but just want to say thank you so much. I think this is one of my biggest awards so far जो directly journalism से मिलता है, and I must say whenever I give the interview, even if it's about anything, तो मैं बहुत nervous हो जाती हूँ. I don't know what to talk, how to talk, because the word has lot of power. And I must say that कि journalism में इतना power है कि जब वो लिखते हैं तो मेरे career को इतना अच्छा सा shape up देने के लिए आज तक I just want to be thankful to you, and Paridar, thank you so much. There are few friends who I know and they've been my backbone, I must say, and without you guys this was not possible. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so very much. Next award on stage, sir, please do stay. Dr. Sam, please do stay back. Can we have on stage Mr. Akshay Oberoi for the Power Brands Industry Trendsetter Award? Here? Yeah, there we are. The Power Brands Industry Trendsetter Award to Mr. Akshay Oberoi. Rakesh Agarwal sir, can we have you on the stage please to give the trophy to Akshay? Mr. Rakesh Agarwal, are we here?
We'll do on the red carpet. We'll do on the red carpet. Red carpet पे करते हैं. हाँ तो तुमको but she's coming. आराम से.
आ जाओ पीछे फटाफट चलो दादा हटो. पीछे कैमरा है.
They want to do pictures.